Welcome guys, if you want to get Gboard keyboard on your Huawei P40, for the first you have to get the second smartphone with the Google Play Store, and right here we have to enter to download the Gboard. So let's type on the search the Gboard and just install. Now we have to wait a little bit. Okay, let's check if it is working. Yes, it is. And as you can see, we can choose our Gboard in the options of the keyboard. Then we have to go back to the main screen, enter the settings, main settings, and we have to find the phone clone application. We are going to use this application to transfer data from this smartphone to our P40. Let's open it on both smartphones. And right here we have two options, as you can see. First one is to choose the new phone and the old phone, and of course the new phone is Huawei P40 and the old phone is our Android smartphone. Here we have to select the old phone type. This one is also Huawei, but if you are using the Xiaomi, Samsung, Sony or any other brand, you have to click on the other Android, and if you have iPhone, you are clicking on the iOS icon. So let's click on the Huawei. Here we have the way to connect. There's two ways. The first one is scan QR code, and the second is to connect manually with the password below the QR code. Right now I'm gonna scan QR code because this is the fastest way to connect. And now our smartphones are connecting, and we have to wait until next notifications pop-ups on our screen. Okay, and here we are with the select data. Clicked on the select all to unselect all of these things, and scroll down to enter apps and data. And right here we have to scroll down to enter the Gboard, select, tap on the OK, transfer, and here we have enter lock screen password. Mine is 1, 3, 4, 6, 7 and 9. And it's done guys. Let's check if it is working. Enable the settings, Gboard, OK, select input method, Gboard. And it's it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that I'll help you. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel. See ya.